Hi, it's Johnny here to tell you about the VLTZ-X Spin. Now this is a pre-filled pod system with a twist. It houses 4 2ml pods, each in their own chamber, meaning you can rotate the device to switch to a new flavour instantly. This 4-in-1 system means you get up to 4,000 puffs from one device, so stay tuned to find out more. What better place to start than with flavour? There are 12 options available. These are part of the brand new VLTZ-X range and have an intense flavour like disposables. The formulations and ingredients are different to the original VLTZ range, but the extreme flavour experience remains. Choose from blueberry sour raspberry, blueberry splash, blue ras blackberry, honeydew melon, kiwi passion fruit guava, pina colada, pineapple ice, pineapple orange, sour apple, strawberry watermelon, triple mango and watermelon ice. Now these flavours come in packs of 2, meaning you can mix and match your favourite flavours. They're also sold separately to the battery, so you can choose your battery colour and then choose your 2 packs of pods, making the VLTZ-X Spin fully customisable from the offset. So with the flavours covered, how does the spin actually work? Well, the pods simply slot into each chamber. Both the current flavour name and remaining liquid level can be seen through the clear surround, and it's easy to know which flavour is activated as it's the one which is lined up with the LED. Now when you fancy swapping to a new flavour, or when your current flavour has run out, simply rotate the top and hold the base. It really is as simple as that. As well as an alignment aid, the LED also acts as a battery indicator, as it will turn from white to red once you reach less than 20%. This means it's time to recharge. This rechargeable battery has a 600 mAh capacity, which should last for around 2 full pods between charges. The power output is extra efficient, and every drop of e-liquid in the pod can be consumed, meaning you get up to 1,000 puffs from each pod. That's 4,000 puffs in total from one device. And there are no buttons to press as the spin is auto-activated, so simply draw on the mouthpiece to vape. Now when your pod runs out of e-liquid, simply spin to the next pod and carry on vaping. When all 4 pods have run out, just remove the top cap, put new pods in, and away you go. So that's all you need to know about the VLTZ-X Spin, a customisable 4-in-1 device which provides up to 4,000 puffs in one device and allows you to change to a new flavour instantly.